Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing another unboxing. Today I bought some front brakes for my car. As you guys know, I have a 2007 Toyota Avalon, and I usually go for ceramic brakes. I never go for the semi-metallic because the semi-metallic go out too fast. They basically wore out too fast. And when you're on the road like me, this is the type of job that I do. Well, before I was driving Uber and Lyft, then the pandemic hit. Now I'm doing like food deliveries, DoorDash most of the time. So I'll be on the road making my money, of course. So the last brakes that I had, it's been over a year now. It was a ceramic front brakes. But today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and tell you guys about this right here that I bought at AutoZone. It's called duralast Max, and these are the brake pads. This is how they look. I'm gonna open the box and show you guys how it looks, but before that, let me read it out to you. It said enhanced friction materials designed to outperform OE formulations, and it said custom shims engineered to neutralize vibration and eliminates noise. And it said exclusive protective coating formulated to prevent corrosion for a long life. And it said premium brake pads for especially smooth, quiet stopping. And it said includes hardware per OE design. Let me bust it open and show you guys how it looked. Let me bring down my camera a little bit. Show you guys, hope you can see. Bust the box open, show you guys how brake pads look, especially a lot of people don't know. So if you look at these right here, these are real thick brake pads, as you can see from the side, and you see the cut that's in the middle of it. So these are even better and last longer than the ceramic. These are the, I guess these are the performance kind, because when I went, the guy said the ceramic was like 42, and he said they got something better, which is these right here, and this came up to like 53, I think 53 and change for these kinds. He told me that these last longer and these are better than the ceramic. So I was like, you know what, let me go for these ones, because I be on the road most of the time. Yeah, I'll be on the road most of the time. You guys know that. Yeah, so I was saying these last longer. They said it's more quiet. So the best thing you want to do is get the best of the best. If you can afford it, just get the normal ceramic. It's going to last a long time. But a person like me that be on the road just for work most of the time, because I be on the road for work, so I had to get the best brakes to last a longer time than me spending more money. This right here is just the gel. Said the organic grease to grease up the back of the brakes, and also the metal piece that it go into, so you don't hear no squeaky noise or none of that when you stop in. And that's all I want to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this quick little video. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, guys. Be safe out there in this pandemic. Oh yeah, in that video that I dropped yesterday, I was actually saying the word wrong. It was actually poetic. I don't know why I saw POETEC. I was saying, I can't remember the name of the case, but the name of the case, the real name of the case that the review that I did was yesterday was poetic. It was poetic. It was not poetic. I was calling it poetic. I don't know why. Maybe because when I looked at it, I thought that I saw TEC instead of POETIC. So it's poetic. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys have a blessed Saturday. And hopefully this pandemic I don't know, they find some kind of cure or something. So keep on praying, keep on believing, be safe. Be safe out there, guys. Have a blessed day. Take care, and thanks for watching. Peace.